It's been 3 years since Ellen Degeneres and Portia de Rossi moved on from their breathtaking historic villa in Santa Barbara into their new home in Montecito. The celebrity couple purchased the historic property in 2013 for $26.5 million. The couple purchased 2 adjacent properties, extending the estate to 17 acres. They built an entertainment pavilion, added a sunken tennis court, as well as a swimming pool. Perched on a crest with views of the ocean, harbor, and mountains, the secluded estate includes a 10,500 square foot Italian-style villa that pervades the pure pastoral ambience of the Tuscan countryside. The Tuscan villa includes 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, 9 fireplaces, multiple libraries, and a guest annex. The striking design includes beamed and vaulted ceilings, enormous windows and glass-paneled doors, Italian tile floors, and walls made from locally quarried stone. Inside, the design is classical yet also modern. The kitchen has rustic exposed ceiling beams and vintage light fixtures. There are plenty of spaces to relax, as well as multiple reading areas, and most of the rooms have exposed brick walls. The 2-story mansion was designed in the 1930s by famed architect William Frost. He was inspired to create the 17th century Italian-style villa after an extended trip to Italy and initially built the home for himself. Many years later, acclaimed interior designer John Saladino undertook the extensive 5-year restoration of the property for his personal use. Outside, you'll be transported to Europe thanks to the Roman-style pool, 18th century Spanish gates, and an antique Italian column. With grounds landscaped with mature olive and eucalyptus trees, aromatic plantings, and colorful gardens, and additionally decorated with fountains, statuary, and sculptures. The home is surrounded by trees and features excellent views of the ocean and nearby mountains. New additions to the property include a lap pool, tennis court, and entertainment pavilion. The Montecito retreat is one of a kind. According to the home's listing brokerage, Sotheby's International Realty, Degeneres and de Rossi simply didn't have the time to use the mansion, which was one of roughly 7 homes the talk show host has bought and flipped in the last 10 years. Netflix executive Ted Sarandos bought the home for a cool $34 million, $11 million lower than the couple's original asking price of $45 million. After 1 year and 4 months on the market.